Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change withdrawal method on Bet365. Now if you want to change your withdrawal method on Bet365 but you don't know how to do it, then you need to simply follow the steps on in the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started now. To change your withdrawal method on Bet365, you need to update your preferred payment method in your account settings. Now to do so, make sure that you have installed the Bet365 app on your device. So after that, open the app and make sure to log into your account. Now you may log in by using a username and password, and after that you need to go on the withdraw sections of the Bet365. Now there you may click on the option of withdraw to go to the withdrawal option, and from there you may update your withdrawal method. Now Bet365 generally doesn't allow you to directly change the withdrawal method once it's set, especially if you have made deposit using a specific payment method. So if you have used any kind of method like PayPal or bank transfer, then you need to simply contact with the Bet365 support team. So if you are not able to change the payment method directly, then you need to simply live chat with the Bet365 teams, and you may ask them to change your payment method, or you may also ask them the process to change it, and they'll simply help you to change the payment method on Bet365. So that's it. That's how you can change the payment withdrawal method on Bet365. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.